Real Estate Investing, a Beginner's Guide. Are you fascinated by real estate investing, but not sure where to start? You're not alone. Real estate has long been one of the most dependable and rewarding ways to grow wealth, but for beginners, it can feel overwhelming. In this guide, we'll break down everything you need to know to confidently take your first steps into the real estate market. Let's get started. To begin, let's define real estate investing. At its core, real estate investing involves buying property with the intent of generating income, appreciation in value, or both. Unlike other investments, such as stocks or bonds, real estate is a tangible asset that serves as a long-term wealth generator. There are several ways to invest in real estate, and it's important to understand the range of opportunities available. Residential properties. These include single-family homes, condos, and apartments that can be rented out to tenants. Commercial properties, office spaces, retail buildings, or warehouses used for business purposes. Rental properties, properties specifically purchased to generate income through rent. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, a way to invest in real estate without owning physical property by purchasing shares in companies managing real estate portfolios. There are three primary ways to make money in real estate. 1. Appreciation. Over time, real estate properties generally increase in value. This means you can sell at a higher price than what you paid, creating profit. 2. Rental income. By renting out your property, you can create a steady stream of passive income. 3. Strategic renovations or house flipping. Buying a property, improving it, and selling it at a higher price. This short-term strategy provides quick returns. Real estate investing appeals to a variety of financial goals, making it suitable for both long-term wealth building and more immediate income generation. Why should you consider real estate? Here are some compelling benefits. Portfolio. Diversification. Including real estate in your investment portfolio can reduce your reliance on volatile stocks and offer you more stability. Tax advantages. Real estate provides significant tax benefits, including deductions for mortgage interest, depreciation, and maintenance costs. Passive income rental properties can create an income stream that doesn't require constant active effort. Inflation hedge. Real estate values and rents typically rise along with inflation, helping to safeguard your investment's long-term value. These benefits make real estate a popular choice for investors looking to achieve both financial security and surplus income. While real estate offers many rewards, it's not without its challenges. Let's discuss some risks to be aware of and how to mitigate them. Market trends and fluctuations. Property values can drop due to economic downturns or changes in the local market. Unexpected expenses. Repairs, maintenance, property management, and legal costs can add up quickly. Liquidity issues. Unlike stocks, real estate is not a liquid asset. You can't simply sell it off for quick cash. Vacancies. When rental properties go unoccupied, it can strain your finances. These risks underscore the importance of careful research and planning before making significant investments. Now that you understand the basics, let's explore how to take your first steps into real estate investment. Set your financial goals. Decide whether your goal is short-term income generation through rental properties or long-term wealth accumulation through property appreciation. Evaluate your budget and finances. Take stock of your savings, income, and capital to figure out how much you can afford to invest. 3. Understand financing options. Learn about the different methods of funding, such as mortgages, loans from banks or financial institutions to purchase property. Private loans, borrowing from private investors. Partnerships, teaming up with someone to pool resources for the purchase. 4. Research the market. Study specific regions and neighborhoods for trends, and demand to identify areas with strong appreciation or rental potential. 5. Choose your investment strategy. Beginners often start with simpler investments like residential properties or REITs, which require less expertise in management. Careful evaluation is essential to secure a profitable investment. Here's what to look for in your first property. Location, location, location. The location determines not just the property's current value, but also its potential for future appreciation. Look for areas near amenities like schools, public transit, and shopping centers. Property condition. Have the property professionally inspected to uncover hidden repair issues that might become costly later. Cost analysis. Compare the purchase price to the property's potential income or resale value. Make sure the numbers add up for profitability. Market comparables. Research other similar properties in the area to judge whether you're paying a fair price. Taking these steps will reduce the risks of your first property investment and increase the likelihood of success. To thrive in real estate investing, keep these tips in mind. Take small, thoughtful steps. Start with achievable goals and don't overextend yourself financially. A small but strategic first investment can pave the way for bigger opportunities later. Focus on long-term gains. Real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Patience is key to maximizing long-term returns. Prepare for unexpected costs. Set aside a contingency fund for unexpected repairs, vacancies, or emergencies. Keep learning. The real estate market is always evolving. Staying informed about changes in trends, laws, and investment opportunities will keep you ahead of the curve. Real estate investing can feel intimidating at first, but armed with knowledge and a strategic plan, it's an incredibly rewarding journey that offers financial security and growth. From understanding the basics of real estate and weighing the benefits and risks to taking your first actionable steps, this guide lays the groundwork for your success. Whether you want to build an additional income stream through rental properties or work toward long-term wealth accumulation, real estate offers endless possibilities. Take that first step today. Your investment journey begins with a single property, armed with the right knowledge and preparation. Now that you have the tools and guidance, it's time to turn your real estate ambitions into reality. Let's make it happen!